Okay, so most of the times the test case will get failed. So the time the test engineer has to attach the screenshots. So like how can we take the screenshots? To take the screenshots, okay, so it actually requires two dependency files. Okay, so one is the screenshot, okay, com.github.yuv like that. This one. Next is comments IO. Okay, this is for the file. So this two, yeah, both is required to take the screenshot. Okay, so now I will right click, click on class.
So if we search for Selenium screenshot dependency, we will get that, right?
Yes, definitely will get that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is very very important because a lot of time we need to take the screenshots, right?
Yeah.
Take screenshot, capture, finish. Okay, so here, okay, so I'm just copying this line. Now the main method. So here, okay, Firefox browser, maximize. Okay, so I will go for eBay. Mhm. Okay, so how to take the screenshot means, okay, screenshot within the brackets driver, get the screenshot as output type dot file. Okay, so like that, that is a code actually. So something like file screenshots is equal to, okay, file screenshots is equal to, okay, like this, take screenshot. Let me import. Okay, so we'll be working on files today in Java. Okay, I will explain about
Okay.
files. So the files always will come from java.i. Okay, I want it, input output. Okay, dot get screenshot as, okay, get screenshot as output dot output type dot file. Okay, so this is the code. So get screenshot as dot file, take screenshot, drive it like that. Now finally we have to give file utils dot copy file. Copy file where we have to pass the screenshots. Okay, so destination file I will give us, so new file. Okay, so we'll give something like this, double slash screenshot dot screen dot png. Okay, so what it will do is it will create a folder called a screenshot, and screen.png will be my image. So whatever I take the screenshot, it will be storing as screen.png. That's all. Okay,
Okay.
let me check whether I'm able to take the screenshot or not. I'm saving the file. Java application. Okay. Site got opened. Okay. Now here, so if I refresh, see here the screenshot came, right? Screen.png. I think I have my like old files. Let me take it. Okay. So
So
now,
it is taking that, we just asked to maximize it and then take the screenshot of that page, right?
yes, so maximize is there here.
Yeah, okay.
So let me refresh now. See, screenshot came. So when I
So
click
that will be
that,
the folder name. Okay.
see here, screenshot is the
Yes, yes.
folder name. Screenshot.png is my image name. So when I open it, see the image came. Okay. So, but the thing is, we should not use the same name, right? So we should not use the same name. So how to, I will teach you how to change the name of the, see when each time the screen will capture, right? So it has to store in the different names,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
So
Otherwise, it
because
will get
here
replaced, maybe, right?
screen.png is there.
Yes.
So for that, I will, will change this. So how to do that? We'll learn. Okay.
Okay.
So like a lot of people will use a lot of techniques. Okay. So some people, what they will do is they will use Java random this one number generator will be there. So randomly it will generate the number. So what they will do is they will attach here. Okay, they will attach here. So that is one thing. Okay. So or else there is a way actually. What I will do is I will call the date function. Okay. So date function, what it will do is when I call the date function, okay, let me show you what will happen. Date d is equal to new date. Like this. Okay, let me see what it will print.
Oh, with the time it will print, right? Actually, yeah. So
Yes.
we can save that way, yeah.
Yeah. So each time what will happen? It is printing the seconds, right?
Yeah.
So that if I attach with the file, then what will happen? So like each time when I
Yeah, I
need
know.
to, yeah,
Yeah.
when I run, obviously the seconds will change so that it will add with the here and it will give us the result.
Yes.
So what I will do is I will do a little bit of modification. So the modification will be there. So wherever the space will come, right? So I will add something like column here, some column. This uh, this is a column. This is the column, right?
Yes.
So what I will do is column will be replaced with the hyphen. Okay.
Okay.
So hyphen like that. Okay. So how can we do that? Okay.
Okay.
So now what I have to do is I have to convert my date into the string. Okay. So how to do that? String. Okay. D dot to string so I will use the replace method. Replace. Okay, so wherever, so if we have null, it has to replace with hyphen like this, dot replace. So wherever if we have the colon, it has to again replaced with the hyphen only. Like this. That's all. This is the code. Okay.
Okay.
So wherever space will come, that will be replaced with hyphen. Wherever the colon will come, it is also replaced with hyphen. So that hyphen it will come everywhere. So now here what I will do is okay. Actually, this is double slash, single slash, double slash actually. So here I will add plus like this. Here I will give I think SC. Okay. No. Here I will close. Okay. I will add something like plus and give SC dot png like this. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
If you want, I can give a little bit space. Okay. Let me see now. Run a Java application. Okay. Okay, let me refresh. See here.
Yes.
Thursday, March 11, 5. Like this. Okay.
That plus, does it have to come? I
Plus.
think that plus SC is only required, right? Again, yeah, but
Oh, okay. So it's
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let me, if you want, I will just let me once again.
Mhm.
We'll see each time whether it's generating the
Yeah,
new file name or not.
screenshots.
Here, refresh. See here, Thursday, March. Here coming. Okay.
07 and 10th second.
Yeah. So here one file. So like that. So when you run each time, okay. So what it will do is it will give me new files. Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of people will use sometimes.
Yeah, so basically, if we wanted to test like 2-3 web pages or maybe 10-20 web pages, then at that time we can each web page, like what was the screenshot if we want to take, we can do this. Finally, we can see.
We can do that. And also like when you each time when you take the screenshot, so you are able to get it as a new names.
Okay.
So some people will use something called as, let me show you. Java random number generator. So they will use this a lot of times.
Okay.
We'll see how to generate random numbers. See, there are a lot of techniques is there. Java util random, math random, thread random, like that. See, rand is equal to new random, rand dot new next int, like 1000 they are given. So we'll see that. So like this, I can take here.
So now instead of date, we are going to use random
Random.
generator.
Random.
Okay.
Here, see 1000 means I think within the range 0 to like it
Yes.
has to generate one. Okay. Let's see what it will print.
Okay.
Okay. It is printing some random number.
Yeah.
Okay. So like this,
Yeah.
if you convert, or else you can give. Yeah. I think we can do it this way as well. Okay. So when you run each time, what will happen? See 7624 came, right? Next time some other number will come.
So each file will have a random number.
Yeah. So you can put how much hour. So each time it will generate the random numbers. It will add with the file names. This is also you can do.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about the screenshot. So this is how you can take the screenshot and you can rename it.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. Okay, the next concept we'll learn about, we have something called as auto suggestion box. Okay,
Okay.
suggestion box, text box. Okay, so here if I press India, see, I'm able to get like this. Okay, but the thing is, yesterday we learned, right? So it is like, it has to send the keys like India like this, then like one arrow down like this, then enter has to happen.
Yeah. So
Send
like
keys,
keyboard,
send
keyboard.
keys,
Yeah.
send keys India, arrow down plus keys dot enter.
Yes.
Okay, so like that we have to do. So for that, how to write the code?
Okay.
So inspect element. So what I will do, I will click this, and when I click this, I'm able to get what a crow path. Okay, so let me create new file. Here, okay, so it has to go to the this URL. I'm just giving here. So driver dot find element by dot xpath. Oops. Like this. Okay. So this is the element for this one. So as soon as I find it, so it has to click, right? So for that, I will give dot click. Okay, so now.
Oh, that means it's like it's now clicking that text box actually, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
As soon as it has to find the uh, that input
Find
field.
that info ID. Yeah, and click. Yeah.
Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay. See, it clicked actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
This is working.
Well, now we need to do that keyboard data thing.
Yeah. First, send keys we have to do.
Uh-huh.
So for that, web element ele is equal to okay. So actually, what will happen?
Oh, dot click when you are using, you cannot.
Web element. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So I will do one thing. I will go to the another line.
And ele dot click.
We'll copy till here.
Mhm.
I will paste. I will remove this line. Okay. So yeah. Now ele dot
Mhm.
send keys. Okay. So I will give India. Then yeah, I will make
Or only 3 letters we have to use.
yeah, that we can do, but Indonesia will come. Yeah, we can do.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, and then from that we need to select. Okay.
Yeah, like if we give twice, send arrow down. Twice we like for India, one arrow down is enough.
Yeah, but how do we know um like since we know like India and Indonesia is there, we can write this code like this, right? But what if we don't know what will be there in that drop down?
No, actually, auto suggestion and all. So it's like country name, right? Right. So manually we need to test before we write the code. That's all. Nothing
Oh,
we
okay,
do.
okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Because if it is country names will come manually. Once we need to check. So
okay,
what?
okay. Oh, we need to check what will be there in that and then
Yeah,
write.
what exactly the
Okay.
output? Whether
Yeah,
it can be
yeah.
anything, right?
Huh, 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 huh.
Just we are checking at least one element.
Yeah, got it, got it. Yeah. No, I just was thinking how to write it with this thing. Yeah.
Mm. Let me wait for 1 second. Add this one
Okay.
now.
So
Yeah,
here we are not using wait. We are again using sleep.
here just for
Just
testing.
for checking.
Yeah.
Okay.
ELE dot send keys. Okay, yesterday we learned, right? So keys, when I give dot, so which one we have to enter? Arrow down, okay?
Yeah.
Arrow down, okay?
Uh-huh.
We have arrow down, we have arrow right, arrow left, arrow up.
Okay.
Then I will give once again. Then ELE dot send keys. Now keys dot what? Enter.
Okay.
Enter. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the code. That's all we have to do. Let's see whether it's work or not.
Okay.
Okay, it's clicked. Okay, India came. It selected first one.
Hmm.
Yes, it is working.
Okay.
Okay. So like that, send the keys, arrow down, click enter. Okay. So like that, we performed it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have a lot of time. We'll be work on files. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes. I will be back.
Yeah, I will also come back in 2 minutes.
Sure, 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 sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so we'll be working on files in Java.
Okay.
So this is like a normal general files actually. A lot of times, in today what we did is we used, if you observe, where is it here? See here we use something called as file. So yeah, so what we did is we created one kind of a new object kind of thing,
Mhm.
so that new file like that object we kind of created.
Mhm.
So yeah, so actually in Java, okay, it's different actually, not different. We'll use some methods and all to create, read, write on the files.
Okay.
So, but Selenium, I will teach you one of the class how to read the data from the Excel and all. We'll learn. But
Okay.
today it is like about the general, files actually.
Okay.
So we will learn how to create a file. Then how can we write the file? And once you write something into the file, so how can you read it? Okay.
Okay.
So it's just general things.
Okay.
Okay. So now how to create a file? So just type file, f is equal to new file, like this, new data dot txt. Okay, this is my file name I'm giving.
Okay.
See, always remember the file will come from, so IO, okay, file
Yeah. Yeah.
java.io. Okay, so this is
Okay.
the thing we have to remember. A lot of times it will give you a lot of suggestion, IO dot selenium, something like that.
Okay.
So Java file will come from IO file only, IO package, not even util. Okay.
Okay. Even java.io should work, right? We don't, do we have to specify io.file?
Now just import it.
Okay.
Whenever you give file, na capital file,
Okay. Okay.
just click that and choose the IO. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, how to create a file? Okay. To create a file, just give f dot, same thing, create file, create new file. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, it will actually, either you can view try catch block or view exception, throw
Okay.
silent exception.
Okay.
Okay. Now run as Java application. Okay, the file got created. The thing is, you want to know where exactly the file got created. So a lot of times what will happen when the screenshots and all, it will take the screenshot, you don't know where it is stored. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Uh-huh.
that time what you can do is you can print one line. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Just give f dot get absolute path, like this.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, when I run it, see it will give me the path where it is stored.
Yes. Yes.
So let's see, I will go whether this path and check if the
Okay.
file is created or not. See here,
Yeah.
new file. When I open it, nothing is there here. Okay,
Yeah.
the file got created. Now you need to write something into the file.
Okay.
Okay, write something into the file. So for that, how can I do? So for that, we have to use something called as print writer class. Okay,
Okay.
print writer. So for that, print writer, sorry, writer pw is equal to new print writer, like this one. So I can import. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Print writer, how to, you need to specify the file name in the brackets.
Bracket.
See, you asked me what is the use of the constructor, right?
Yeah.
So this is kind of a object I'm creating. So this is kind of a parameterized this one, right? So I'm passing
Yeah.
file here.
Yep.
So now PW, I'm able to get all the things like PW dot print line.
So here we actually pass the file object, right? F.
Yes, I have given the file F here.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm performing the print operator, print writer. The file which I have to give F, that is file. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Now, okay, so let me type hello one. Print line like this. I will give hello 2.
Okay.
Hello 3 like this. Then give pw dot close. Pw dot close. Okay, once you open the print writer, you need to close it. Okay.
Okay.
So now, oops, when I run this, okay, let's go to the path and check. I'm able to. See, here new data is there when I open it. See, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3 is coming.
Yes.
Okay, so like that you can write into the file. Okay, so now if you want to read something, okay,
Okay.
we have to use something called as file reader and buffered reader. Okay,
Okay.
so it is like file reader for is equal to new file reader import from my phone. So here, so I'm specifying F.
Yes.
Next, buffered reader. Var is equal to new buffered reader. So here we give your for like this. Import it. Okay.
Okay.
So, but here, if I give print dir, let's see what will come. So it is actually printing the object. Okay. So so it is printing the object. So which means we whenever the object will print. So what we have to do is give it to the string and just need to iterate. Okay. So like how to do that? So it's like string s is equal to call a like this.
So what was that? I didn't get that line. Like when you print that BR, what happened? It just printed that object.
This is actually let's go to open declaration. So this is actually to read something into the file actually.
Okay.
So to read something from the So this both we have to use, file reader and buffer reader, to
Okay.
read. So first what I will do is I will check whether
But even if we read, if we print it, we won't see that. That is what you said, right?
that is what I said. And
Okay.
it printed, see what it printed is it printed the object.
Okay.
So now what I'm doing is I don't want this object to be print. I want the data should be print, right?
Yes.
So for that, what I will do is I will just uh,
Declared a string.
yeah.
Okay.
So
String variable.
something like, okay, while I will check, yes is not equals to, okay, yes is not equal to bf dot not br dot read line, okay,
Okay.
sorry, yes is equal to br, like this I'm just declaring. So here if it is not equals to null, then you can print yes. So I'm just telling the string that if the buffer reader, okay, if it is not giving you the null, then only print. Okay,
Mhm.
now when you run it, see allow 1, allow 2, allow 3, it is printing, which means I am just reading from the file. Okay, so this is just for the knowledge actually.
Mhm.
This is just for the reference.
Mhm. So
Okay.
we have to use the read line method to read each line
Yes.
from a file.
But under Selenium Excel, different methods will come. This is in like core Java methods, that's all.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but in
I
Selenium we
think
don't
in
use
C++,
this.
if we wanted to read the file and all, we use read write method, right? Here it is file reader. In C, it is different, right?
Yeah, so here in core Java it is different. Okay,
Okay.
so in core Java, when it comes to the core Java, these are the things we have to use.
Okay.
Okay, so but in Selenium there will be separate methods. But the thing is, again, the file, new file, like that, the methods will come. The same thing in there also.
This
If
buffer reader and all will come.
no, buffer reader won't come. Buffer reader,
Okay.
because when you're dealing with Excel and all,
Uh-huh.
so that time you use different methods. Okay,
Okay.
so that we will see in one of the class.
Okay.
That
Okay.
we'll learn how to read the data from the Excel.
Okay.
Okay, so
So in web testing, why do we have to read the data from the Excel? There will be cases where we have to do that.
I didn't get you.
No, like Selenium, basically it is for web testing, right? The tool is
Mm.
used for web testing, right?
Mm.
So when will be the requirement where I need to read the data from the Excel in Selenium?
Yes. See, for example,
Uh-huh.
um, so lot of applications are there. It might be web application. For example, like in my institute, we use one applications and all. So what
Uh-huh.
we will do is, for example, I want to generate the student attendance. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So what I will do is, I have. Okay, let me show you.
Or maybe that the student data is in the Excel file
Whether
and
we are simply checking whether something is printing or not.
uh-huh.
Okay. So okay.
But we need to pull the data from the Excel file, you are saying.
Not exactly. We are just checking no, the data is printing in
Okay.
inside that
Excel.
Excel or PDF like that.
Okay.
Okay. Almost all applications, majority of applications, it have will have that. Okay.
Okay.
So developer, what they will do is he given some code. to generate the Excel sheet and this one PDF like that, different formats. Your job is just to
Okay.
check that. No?
Yeah. That time we will have to use, we should know how to read.
Yes, yes, yes. That question, yeah, I will teach you that how to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So from tomorrow onwards, what we will do is, like, what time do you want the classes? Because today is my last Java batch. Just last class is there, so it's
Okay,
going to
okay.
be finished. So
Can
for
we
me,
have,
after 7 anything is fine. 7 also fine. 7:30 fine. 8 also fine. So what time do you want?
let me see. If it is 6 means, for you it will be 7:30. Can we have at 5:30 then? Then it will be your 7 o'clock.
For me, what is it? What will be the time?
For you it will be 7 o'clock. You said from 7 it is okay, right?
1 minute. I
Uh-huh.
think I will tell you exact time. For you, what time you want?
No, no, I am telling your time. Your time 7 will it work? I am asking. You
Yeah,
told
yeah,
from
yeah, it
your
will work.
7 it is
For you,
okay.
it's 5:30 p.m.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. For me it will be 5:30. Yeah, correct. Yeah, if it is your 7. So I am telling your time only. So no confusion now.
Yes, yes. Okay, we will
Yeah,
do
7
by.
o'clock will be okay, right?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and let me see, the 7 o'clock we will keep, and if I can move even to your 7:30, I will tell tomorrow after 2 classes if we can shift to 7:30 also.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That we can
Yeah,
do, no problem.
yeah,
So tomorrow we will be meeting at
your 7 o'clock.
my 7 o'clock.
Yeah, India
Yes.
time 7 o'clock, IST 7.
Sure, 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 sure. We will do that.
Yeah,
Okay. So anyway, for me, actually, it's been
yeah,
very stressful days actually.
yeah,
So today it's going to finish. So that daily one class, it's morning I can do class now.
yeah,
You get
yeah,
like
yeah,
exhausted.
yeah.
Like when I start at almost 5:30 p.m. Sorry, 5:30 a.m. It will be the classes will like it will go around 4 hours, something like that.
Oh my goodness.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and when you are teaching, you are speaking all the time. So I understand the throat also will be
Yes,
so
yes, yes,
hard,
yes.
right? Yeah,
Throat
teaching job. Yeah.
very, very. It was very stressed. In my experience, I never woke up at 5. Like 2 classes, I've never done in morning. Oh,
So now you won't keep any class for 5:30 anyway.
no,
I
no,
mean,
no.
your
I know
5:30.
what these people done actually. For you,
Uh-huh.
actually, you enrolled a course very long back, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. And they were also asking me many times, like, what time is convenient. So I told any time is okay.
For
Then
you, actually,
finally
what?
only they told like morning. I mean, my evening time. But then I asked also whether it is from India or from here.
Yes, yes, yes. So what happened is for you, I think they delayed by 2 to 3 weeks, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
They told me you need to just start the QA batch like that. They never give me
Mhm.
the candidate. I was also waiting.
Uh-huh.
So for you also they delayed like 2 to 3 weeks.
Yes.
Now what happened is for Java actually uh, what happened is for I had some personal issues. I missed some 2 classes, 2 or 3 classes.
Okay. Uh-huh.
From their end also somebody actually he went to the hometown. Nobody was there to look up this to schedule the class.
No, no,
So
I
what
didn't
happened
get that.
is
What happened? They went somewhere, eh?
the candidate who actually scheduled the class, right? He also went to his hometown. Nobody was there actually to schedule the
Oh,
class.
oh, oh, yeah, okay. He also, the student was also not there, you are saying.
No, 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 no. The person who scheduled the class. No, for you, I am scheduling basically.
Huh.
If you remember the first class, you will get a mail,
Oh,
right?
yeah,
QA
yeah, yeah,
batch.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. And they forgot to tell me also one time in the
Ah,
beginning. Yeah.
yeah. So that actually what happened is in that batch we have a lot of candidate gas Java batch.
Uh-huh.
So for them also they delayed actually.
Okay.
So what happened is suddenly the both batches writing the mails for them. Classes is not happening like that. Then they told that they just need to do every day two
Uh-huh.
classes.
Oh, that is how you had to go
Uh,
with like this.
yes.
Oh, okay,
So that is
okay.
how that is what happened. Usually, what I will do is three classes in a week. I will do that's all. In a
Yeah,
week.
in the beginning they told me like that 3 classes in a week, but when it got delayed like this only, they finally told
Mm.
5 days continuous, it should be okay, right? I told okay because I didn't had any other choice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So now it yeah. So that anyway, it will be finished within 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Mhm.
with today it will be finished, right? So anyway, now only one class in the morning.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no. I'm talking about your batch. Your batch also.
Yeah, yeah.
Even
Uh-huh.
if they're delayed also, like it will be finishing soon only because they're
Okay.
scheduling the class every day, right?
Yeah.
We'll finish within this week and next week. We'll finish it up.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm stopping here today. Uh,
Okay.
from tomorrow onwards we'll work more because I will have a lot of time.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
we'll
fine.
work
Yeah.
on that. Okay.
Okay. Then tomorrow, IST 7, right?
IST 7. Yes, yes. 7 a.m. for me.
Okay. 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then.
Okay.
Okay. See you
Mm.
then
Bye.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.